In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. He frowned and turned his attention away, because the blind man came unto him. You never know, O Prophet. Perhaps he may be purified, or take heed, and so the reminder might avail him. As for him who thinketh himself independent, you gave him your undivided attention, even though you are not to blame if he would not be purified. But as for him who cometh unto thee with earnest purpose, being in awe of Allah, you were inattentive to him. Nay, but verily it is an admonishment, so let whosoever will pay heed to it. It is written on pages held in honor, highly esteemed, purified by the hands of angel scribes, honorable and virtuous. Condemned are disbelieving humans. How ungrateful they are to Allah! From what thing doth He create him? He created them from a sperm drop, and ordained their development. Then He makes the way easy for them, then causes them to die and be buried. Then when He wills, He will resurrect them. Nay, but man hath not done what He commanded him. Let man consider his food, how we pour down rain in abundance, and meticulously split the earth open for sprouts, causing grain to grow in it, and grapes and green fodder, and olives and palm trees, and dense orchards, and fruit and fodder, all as a means of sustenance for you and your animals. Then, when the deafening blast comes to pass, on that day every person will flee from their own siblings, and even their mother and father, and even their spouse and children. For then everyone will have enough concern of their own. On that day some faces will be bright, laughing, rejoicing at good news, while other faces will be dusty, cast in gloom. Those are the disbelievers, the wicked sinners.